Hi everyone, in this video let's have a look at tabs and how to implement it. So this is the tab 1, this is the tab 2 in which we can add any number of widgets. So let's start implementing it in our application. First let's import Tkinter as tk from Tkinter import ttk. Next we will create class root. This is the subclass of tk. Init super root self init self dot title tab widgets. Minimum size 600 by 400. Now let's create tab control. Is equal to ttk dot notebook self. Tab 1 is equal to ttk dot frame tab control. Tab control dot add tab 1 text is equal to tab 1. Let's copy this. Change tab 1 to tab 2 and here again tab 1 to tab 2. Let's pack tab control dot pack expand is equal to 1. Fill is equal to both. Now create root object is equal to root dot main loop f5. I have to change one thing here. Tab 1 tab 2. Let's press F5. Yeah, tab 1 and tab 2 are there. Within that we can add any number of widgets.